color view, and it is gonna see the picture in colors at night. So this guy here is Rudy, and he will be doing the installation today. He's getting himself sorted out. That time we're gonna go outside and take a look at the location where the camera is gonna go by the time. Give you a view of what Kitchener looks like in the meantime. It is snowing outside, expecting a little bit of snow, and this is like a lonely street, and nobody's outside, so that's it here. See? And this is in Kitchener, Ontario. This is a property, you know, it's one of those houses where you're gonna put the security on, because I don't think this guy is gonna be at home during the day. So yeah, he's putting one camera there and one here. So let's go see. There. You good? All right, good.